I think this is the first video where I have not gone over budget.
Did I just find the pants for all outfits?
Did you cry the first time you did this? Because I'm going to.
You have to have low expectations and don't do it on your period. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. Today we are about to do something that is my pride and joy. We are gonna go thrifting at Goodwill.
You know, here at Clevver Style, we like to do all types of styling things, like dressing up as celebrities like Taylor Swift and Ariana Grande. We do sizing just to figure out our own sizing, but today we are doing thrifting, y'all.
And thrifting can be definitely overwhelming, especially at a Goodwill, so I have some tips and tricks that not a lot of people might know about or like think of off the top of their head, you know what I mean?
Also, if you guys don't know, she's being really modest. Madeleine is like the thrifting goddess. Like, she's really good at this, and me, on the other hand, I suck.
There are some rules for our challenge today. What are the rules, Drew?
Okay, so we each have $100 to buy 4 outfits to wear over the course of the week. Just to test our thrifting knowledge, how we apply it, you know.
Do we have some ideas? Let's think about that.
Well, I have a brunch coming up this week. I feel like that'd be cute, like to get a brunch outfit.
Love that.
Like a work outfit, because I feel like that's just handy. You have to go to work.
We work.
Like a really like graphic tee.
Yes, like a go get coffee tee.
Yes, and then maybe like a date night outfit?
Oh!
Should I do that?
I mean, I could see you on a date.
Ambitious?
Not at all.
Let's get one.
Okay, you actually just gave me some great ideas. I'm thinking a date night would be great as well. I'm thinking a girls' night would be good because I like to do something maybe a little bit more like a blazer or something like a little bit more edgy or high. That's my version of edgy. And then I'm an actor as well, so maybe an audition look. I have an audition coming up this week. That would be really cool. I have like kind of an idea in mind for that.
What else?
I think an athleisure kind of coffee walk my dog outfit would be nice as well. I love a graphic tee. I refer to it as the Jessica Biel in Summer Catch tee.
My parents are having a party tonight.
What?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are we?
Because she said so, I'm ready.
It's gonna be good. You have me to guide you. I'm your spiritual leader. Let's
I'm
go
not
thrift.
scared at all.
Okay guys, we made it to Goodwill. We're finally here. I wanted to give Drew some tips before we went in because I know it's about to be, it's gonna be maybe some chaos. You don't know what you're gonna get into depending on the Goodwill.
I don't.
Okay, so things to be on the lookout for. I love going in the men's section because the men's t-shirts actually are a lot more of that kind of like baseball tee that we really like, and you can easily DIY them. And when I say DIY, just take some really good scissors and crop it.
I love that.
I'm the queen of cropping. Second tip I want to give you, go in the kids section. Kids t-shirts, like a lot of times if they're kind of in that middle school age, they'll fit you a lot better, a little bit more cropped like we like.
Snug.
A little snug.
I don't know 8, 12-year-olds who have my boobs.
Okay, third tip I want to give you is going in the jeans section. A lot of times men's and women's jeans, you can find some like cool Levi's. I found the best branded jeans thrifting.
I feel like the men's section would be clutch because I like this whole new like boyfriend baggy style, 90s.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, very 90s. 90s is coming back, and I'm telling you, it's all at Goodwill. Everyone's like going back to Goodwill to find what they gave away because it's coming back. Fourth tip is to look at the accessories, the shoes, the purses, the belts. You can usually find stuff for like $2. And sometimes you can find like great bags for really cheap. I actually got this Versace purse thrifting. What's up?
What?
We're gonna go in. We're gonna nurture her in, and then I'm probably gonna divide and conquer a little bit.
Yes.
But we'll keep checking in throughout the way.
You're gonna stop babysitting me? You're gonna let me in?
I'm gonna hold your hand for a second, and then I'm off to the races because I want to find me some good stuff. Bye, Drew.
I can do this. Okay, this is nothing like I was expecting. First of all, it's huge. Second of all, extremely organized. This is like a Marshall's.
No, I'm already getting excited. Like I see some cool shoes and I'm ready to get out there. Let's do this, Stay.
They have chips?
Stay away from the snacks.
How do they have? I'm just a little overwhelmed. Just a little bit. It's very organized though, so I feel like if I just follow signs, categories, I'll be fine. I'm finding actually a lot of good tees for auditions, a lot of really good striped t-shirts, which is great because that's exactly what I wanted. Bottoms have been really hard to find. The denim at each thrift store you're gonna go to is just specific to that thrift store, so you're not necessarily gonna find your perfect fit that day. But that's what's kind of fun about thrifting. You can almost make it a hobby where you just start going every so often and then you might come across something amazing. Now I'm just trying to figure out how sizes are split up because I'm used to like there being a divider that's like, these are the smalls, these are the mediums, but I don't know if it's different in thrift stores. I'm sorry that I'm an idiot when it comes to thrifting. I'm learning, okay? Bear with me.
Okay, so something I found that I actually am really excited to try on, it's this blue silk button-up top. And the color is amazing. I love wearing blue because I have blue eyes. Normally I think people just think, oh, like button up. I don't really wear button ups that often. But nowadays, like you can tie it
So it's a little kind of cute, almost cropped, almost like sailor top. Do you know what I'm trying to say? You know what I mean?
I've been wanting a jean skirt, even though I'm not really a jean person. I just feel like it's so versatile and you can dress it up, you can dress it down. This could be cute for a lot of different things, but let's see, it's $5.99 for a skirt. I'm sorry, thrifting, where have you been my whole life?
Okay, I'm going through some jeans. I found a leather skirt that might be really cute with that blue kind of silky top. Jeans are hard for sure. They definitely take some patience to find a good size, and then you have to try them on, but we got a lot of tops. So worst case scenario, I'm wearing a lot of shirts with underwear this week.
I can't get over the price. It's $8.99, $14.99. I'm easily gonna be able to find 4 outfits for $100, maybe under that.
I've really got to focus and see if I can put together an outfit, because right now all I have are potential pieces, but you know, it all comes down in the dressing room too. Sometimes you really got to over grab just so you're not underwhelmed in the dressing room.
I always see shirts that say this and I love it because I'm a big Beyonce fan, but I just can't buy them because I didn't wake up like this. I never do. I wake up looking like troll. Who did it and what for?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 things right now in my cart, so I have plenty of stuff to try on, and we're gonna try to make them outfits.
Oh, wait, is this a dress? Oh my god, of course, it's Fashion Nova. Love them. Date night? A little fall situation? Pretending like it's cold enough in LA to wear a long sleeve sweater dress?
Hi, Drew. How
Hi,
are
Boo.
you doing?
Okay, I have 2 outfits so far.
Wow, you actually have like the whole outfit?
Well, that doesn't really count because one whole outfit is like a dress.
Wait, that's cute.
Right?
That's actually very like you.
Listen, and it's Fashion Nova.
I got this to maybe cut and do like with
Ooh.
some cut up shorts. I don't know, just more athleisure,
Totally.
you know? And then I have this blazer. It's from Topshop, and I thought that could be cute with like a cutoff tee and some jeans, and just a little bit maybe for the girls' night dinner, like a little bit more fashion forward.
I was gonna say, or with no shirt under at all.
With some boob tape.
Yeah.
That's true.
Listen. Excuse me? Like, how perfect is that shirt? I'm a real menstruating human. Love that. Like, I know this isn't necessarily a graphic tee, but like, kind of, right? Like, bleeding is graphic menstruation. Does that count? It's going to.
My first pair of pants I'm trying on are a total success. These are the Paige brand Moto jeans, and they like fit me really well in the butt, and they sit maybe not as high as I normally go, but I think those are pretty cute. I could wear these for date night, girls night, audition. Did I just find the pants for all outfits? This top and this skirt, super cute. And I was so worried about the skirt because it's not my normal size, but it's working. Mama got her booty in it, okay. One thing I'm noticing with jeans, and you guys will too, you gotta grab a lot because a lot of them are still so low rise. We all tend to wear high rise, I'm noticing nowadays, and a lot of these kind of are maybe an older style. So don't get discouraged if they kind of fit weird and they're your normal size. It's just that styles have changed, and so they're not really doing as many high-waisted anymore. So it's coming back for you soon. Gonna keep trying, I have a couple more. Okay, so you guys, I'm in the dressing room and I have this first top, like one of the first tops I found. In Houston, we have a problem because I hate it. I hate it. I don't know if it's because like the bra I'm wearing a strapless bra, so it just like doesn't work with this. I'm not crazy about it. But these are the jeans I found, which I love, but
Yeah, I liked a lot of it. I was actually really happy with the tops. How did you do?
Horribly. It was tragic. The top that I initially found was horrible on me. Horrible.
I get it.
But I did like the skirt, and I did like the shirt with the skirt. How about you? How'd you do?
I did all right. I did half for each outfit. So I really liked this shirt for my audition look.
Love it.
I really loved this one. I'm excited. I tried it and tied it up, and it was super, super cute. These jeans actually fit so well, these Hudson Moto jeans. The blazer was cool. I can't quite figure out how to wear it. It's not quite fitted enough to wear without a shirt, so I'm gonna keep looking for some stuff.
This is why you are the thrifting queen.
If you find 1 or 2 things that fit you well, that's pretty awesome, and you probably bought them for really cheap.
Did you cry the first time you did this? Because I'm going to.
You have to have low expectations, and don't do it on your period.
We did it!
Okay.
Oh my god.
Have made a thrifter out of Drew. Okay, do you want to go do a little comparison?
Yes.
Price-wise?
Are you ready? $54.94 for 7 items. 7. That's like a shirt at Topshop.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. $45.92. Like,
thrifting queen.
We were given $100 each, so we each literally spent half of our budget.
I think this is the first video where I have not gone over budget. Do I get a trophy?
But that's just
validation,
showing how much you can get at a Goodwill for like not as much. Like we each have outfits for 4 days. We spent $50.
Now, Madeline and I are going to wear our outfits throughout the week and vlog our experiences in our thrifting fits.
Yeah, because we want you guys to know that we actually will wear this stuff. We're excited about it. So stay tuned, because we're gonna film us and take you guys along.
Eventually.
Okay, you guys, we made it a week of wearing Goodwill. Drew, I want to know how your week was because I know that going into this challenge was a little bit harder.
It was hard. It was difficult for me at first. You guys saw in the store I was struggling, but I will say I was pleasantly surprised. First of all, the gray dress was my absolute favorite.
I know, I still need to see this.
Girl, it was so banging. I was shocked. I was like, this dress cost me $9. Hey you guys, so I'm about to head out to brunch and I'm in my thrifted brunch dress. Look how cute this is. Like, so cute. I paired it with some little sneaks and I have my little black bag purse I'm gonna wear it with. But you guys, what the heck? Why haven't I been thrifting all this time? This is so cute.
It's like literally I feel bad how cheap it is. When you and then when you find something amazing, like even the outfit you were wearing the other day to film Clevver stuff, the little black top and her skirt, and I was like, this is such a cute, wait, is this the Goodwill outfit? And you were like, yes. And it fit her like a glove.
Another day in the life of thrifting. Your girl's at work. I'm at Clevver today and I'm wearing my Clevver thrifted outfit. I have the black top paired with this adorable brown skirt. And I'm usually not a skirt person, but this is so cute. A little zip closure. Paired it with some boots with a nice little gold buckle detail. Obsessed, right? How cute. And then I just tied it up a little bit in the back to make it a little bit tighter and more of a crop top because without it, it's not as croppy. But how cute is this? Because we are spilling the tea right here on Road Patrol.
Okay, and this is one of your outfits too.
Yep. The jeans and the top.
So real menstruating human.
You know? So I tied it up because it was really long. I tied it up old school style with a little hairband and then I just tucked it and then I paired it with these ripped boyfriend jeans and a cute little simple pair of strappy black heels. I just wanted a graphic tee that was super cash. I could just wear out to coffee to go shop and do whatever, you know?
And it's like, perfect, hello.
Clink, 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 clink. So now I have my date night outfit on. I'm not going out on a date right now. Instead I'm doing like a little girls night thing because dudes suck. But check out my outfit. What's really important. This is so cute. So I added this belt just to help accentuate my waist. And then I paired it with these nude sandal heels. And it's cute, right? This dress was $8.99, you guys. Like are you kidding me? $8.99. Okay, I'm officially converted into a thrifter. What girl, I need to hear about your week. I know you had some auditions, some date night situations. How'd it go?
Yes, okay, the week went really well. I feel like out of the 4, my favorite look was probably the date night outfit. I was really excited to find that teal silk long sleeve button up.
Hey guys, Madeline here, back from the thrifting haul. I'm in my date night look. I'm wearing the blue silk top that I got. This one was $6.99, and then I got it with this fake leather skirt. This one was, I believe, $7.99, and the tag actually was still on it from the original purchase and said that it was $35. So I feel like that was a good steal. Paired those together and did some boots of my own. I was thinking maybe throwing a jacket over it. This is definitely something I would wear. So let me know if you guys like it and if you guys, how you guys would pair these out of your own closet.
So that to me was just like a really exciting find, and I looked at the tag further and it was 100% silk, and it was, I think it was $7. That was really cool. And then the girls' night outfit, I did denim shorts and I did that Topshop blazer.
This was the awesome blazer I got from Goodwill, but originally it is from Topshop, and why I like it is because it actually has these sort of, I guess it's double-breasted is the term, buttons, but they're just snap-on, so they're super, super easy to wear, but if you don't want to wear it closed, I also got these shorts there. This jacket was $6.99, which is crazy because I go to Topshop all the time, and their jackets are usually like $70.
I actually think one of my favorite purchases from Goodwill was part of the audition look. I had the Hudson Moto jeans.
Yes.
I think honestly those might be my best fitting pair of jeans. Like, see, how crazy is that? This is the third look I got. It is for my audition look. These were the jeans I got. They're black moto jeans is what they're called. And then I have the shirt on. This one is actually a velour material, so it's kind of one of those shirts that you just end up keep petting yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop doing that. And these jeans were $7.99. Such a steal. Hudson jeans are like a couple $100.
Hella expensive.
Yeah, and the audition went really well, so I was super excited about that. I've been really into striped tees, if you couldn't tell. Oh, and then the athleisure look was kind of just like my basic everyday, kind of like you running errands look.
Yeah.
I wanted to show you guys the kind of DIY stuff I like to do with the graphic tees. So, got this Kansas City graphic men's t-shirt. It's like pretty basic. It was $1.99. God, I love that price. Let's see, I'm gonna cut probably just under the 13 there. It doesn't have to be a straight line because I'll show you a little trick for after I cut it so that nobody can tell if it's a little bit jagged. Okay, so it's a little jagged. So what I'm gonna do is take it and just pull it, actually. And these cotton tees are great because the fabric rolls up really easily. And now you can't even see where that kind of jagged line was. And there you go. It actually looks cool with these jeans. My favorite form of athleisure is usually just one of these kind of baseball tees, some cut up shorts, some Converse. And that's what I like to wear to go get coffee, to go to the grocery store, running errands during the day. That's my favorite stuff. Overall, I feel like we both had a really fun, unique experience. I'm really glad that you had a good time at the end of it, because after all that work, you just want to feel like the outfits ended up being cute.
You popped my thrifted cherry and converted me officially.
It's been a while since I've done it.
You guys, please let us know if you love to thrift, if this inspired you to thrift. Also, let us know in the comment section below which outfits of ours you liked the best.
Yes.
Subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when we post, and come back. We'll be here being sustainable. Cheers. That's our fashion. Boop.
If you want to watch more videos just like this, click over here.
Right there. Also, subscribe. You know where the button is.
It's down there.
It's Thrifted.
We're at prom.
We are at prom.